Craving crispy, creamy, and spicy bang bang shrimp? You've come to the right place. Today we are making this popular restaurant dish right at home. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. If you love tasty recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the ring notification bell so you don't miss out. Let's get started. First, we make the sauce. I have 1/4 cup mayo, 1½ tablespoon sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha. If you like it spicier, you can add more sriracha. You can also double the recipe if you like more sauce on your shrimp. Combine everything in a bowl and mix well, then set aside and put in the fridge. I have 350 gram peeled and deveined shrimp, and I add ½ cup buttermilk to it. Add a couple pinches of salt, white pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix and let it marinate for about 20 minutes. For the wet batter, I have 5 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon regular flour, 1/8 teaspoon salt, some black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, about 1/4 cup ice water. Pour the ice water into the mixture a little at a time and stir. This is the consistency that I like. Then I dip each shrimp into cornstarch and set aside, making sure to cover all the shrimp. Heat up oil in the pan and stir the wet mixture one last time. Dip the shrimp in the wet batter and fry in the hot oil until golden brown. Take them out from the pan and drain on paper towel. Hear how crispy they are? Mix the sauce and the shrimp and put on a serving bowl. Your bang bang shrimp is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.